Hi, it's Tim here. We're here to talk about all fiber rinse today. All fiber rinse B109 has been around for many years and is the industry standard, one of our best-selling products. This originally came out as part of our two-step cleaning process, which is alkaline pre-spray, acid rinse. The carpet mills like the two-step process. Acid rinses and all fiber rinse is made from a citric acid base so that when it dries it doesn't have any sticky residue. In fact, by having an acidic base, it actually leaves the hand of the rug or carpet very soft. Some customers will definitely notice that feeling. The fragrance of all fiber rinse leaves the carpet with a fresh smell. So there's no worse cleaning job where you clean and it smells like wet dog when you're done. So this product here get a lot of compliments on the fragrance. A lot of the customers comment about how clean the carpet smells. So B109 all fiber rinse, again, dry residue, so no stickiness. It won't detract soils, it actually repels soils. And to do the repelling of soils, we actually also added a polymer. So as anything wicks up to the surface upon drying, it dries into a polymer, an encapsulant, that's then vacuumed away later. So a lot of chemistry goes into this to make it the product it is.